Hey friends, so from the title of this video, you can already see that we're about to do a pretty big Boxy Charm unboxing. So the items I have for you all today are from the 2019 April FOMO box, the May mystery box, and the July mystery box. I don't know what the mystery is about them. I don't know the variations that the boxes came in, so I really don't know if they did anything special for my box. I actually ordered the 3 boxes that I'm going to be unboxing today during the April add-on sale. So during that time for add-ons, Boxycharm has extremely discounted items on sale. Like I'm seeing Glam Glow products for $12, or like a Tarte palette I think was like $8, and you have items for $6 and whatnot. So they have some really good deals on the add-ons sale. So I did get 3 boxes, so we're gonna go ahead and get straight into that. You guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get started with this unboxing. It's not gonna be in any particular order, but I just want you all to enjoy it. Each of these boxes cost me $21 each, and we will probably talk about the prices of each item in the boxes, and then you can choose on whether you believe it was a great value or not. So before we get started, the items just came in this really, basic packaging today, nothing fancy. I will warn you guys that I actually did already unbox the items earlier on video chat with one of my friends. She wanted to see what I had, so we did an early unboxing. So you will see some of the items might already have swatches, noticeable swatches, but we're good. They didn't come used or anything. So we're just gonna start with the first box, and the way we're gonna do this, I do know the cards didn't really tell me which month each one was for, so I'm gonna try to guess. And if you guys remember, or if you want to guess, go ahead and put that in the comments below which box is which. So for the first box, I guess I can just pull the items out of here and then look at the card. So the first thing we have is the English Laundry number 7, and this is a fragrance. Let's see, this retails for $28, and I did smell this earlier. I really don't know how to describe the smell, but I keep twisting it off. Like you can literally like open the bottle. So if you want to replace like another perfume in there or something, you could. So it's a little spray bottle. The top just peels off, and I'm just gonna spray it and try to describe it for y'all, because I really don't know how to describe scents. But it still smells like alcohol right now, but it is a very like light floral kind of scent. Like it's nice. It's nothing that I personally would feel excited about. I'm more of a sweet scent kind of girl. So my favorite perfume I can name at the moment is the Britney Spears Fantasy perfume. It has been my favorite perfume since I was in middle school, which is when I think it came out, and absolutely love that smell. And it is pretty cheap, and it always smells really good on me. I always get compliments, so I love sweet scents. So I mean, this is one I could either give away to a friend or something, or whatever. But I don't want to ramble on too much, because this is already going to be a long video. So the next item is the Tarteist Shimmering Lip Paint. So this from Tarte, the Shimmering Lip Paint, and that retails for $20. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up, and I'm gonna show you guys some swatches today. The name of this color is Strike Gold. And I was a little nervous about it because I thought it would be like a Missy Elliott, you know, back in the 90s color, but it's actually a really really like wearable, shimmery, like bronze brown color. So it has the doe foot applicator. So I'm just gonna do a little swatch right here. Oh yeah, that perfume does smell really nice though. I might wear it, who knows. I'm just gonna do a swatch right here. I'm gonna double it up to try to thicken it because it's a thin color. So if you want to wear it by itself or on top of a lipstick, you can do that. So that's what that looks like. You see those purple and gold kind of shimmers in it. So yeah, that's really nice. I am dropping stuff. Let's see, what's next? So next we have this Luxy Beauty Luminous Eye Set. So it's basically a set of 4 brushes. I probably should have loosened this before I even opened, before I started this video. So y'all bear with me while I struggle to open it. So we got that open. First of all, this is really cute packaging that it came in. And so we're gonna just show you these brushes. All right, so we just have 4 really nice little cute fluffy brushes, and they have gold tips. I love the feel of this. It's kind of like, honestly, the gold tips on it kind of feel like those glitter glue sticks that you use in the hot gun, the ones that have glitter in it. It kind of feels like how it does when it's solid, in its solid state. But these are some really nice brushes. I know I would get some use out of them because I've been trying to do new things with my eyeshadow. I can't even tell you the kind of brushes these are because I don't know. One of them, I can't say I can use this fluffy brush for like blending, but the other ones, I don't know yet. We'll see. We'll see what we use it for. So I'm gonna do that part last. So next we have the 2 facial masks from Tatcha Beauty. It's the Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. And you know what? I'm gonna say this is the April 2019 box because I'm pretty sure I watched enough videos on this one to know. And these retail for $24, so I'm assuming you get 2 for $24, and we're just gonna say they're $12 each for a face mask. So I'm kind of excited about trying those out. I've never tried one of those paper face masks before, so that's exciting. And this is the item that made me want to purchase this box. So here we have the Ace Beauty Grandois 8 palette. Grandois 8. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. And this retails for $24.99. So I'm going to open it up. The packaging is so pretty. So here it is out of the box. I hope I'm not moving too fast, you guys. I actually feel like I'm moving really slow because I'm talking a lot. But look at those beautiful colors. And y'all, don't mind my nails. I have yet to do it, but I will film a video when I do. So who knows what order these videos will go up. But I'm going to go ahead and swatch some of the colors. So the first color that really catches my eye is this Clove, which is this peachy orange color right here. So I'm going to do that. And I'm just going to put this stuff on top of this stuff. But keep in mind, I swatched this stuff earlier, and it's so buttery and creamy and smooth. I've never had an eyeshadow so beautiful, so pigmented. So I'm just going to swipe a few colors from the palette, and I'm just kind of swirling my finger. I really don't feel like I have to, but I got one more finger left. Let's see, let's do this gold. Oh, these colors are gorgeous. So those are some of the swatches that I did for that. So remember, this is just that lip gloss right here, but Look at those colors. So the first one is Clove, which is this peachy color at the top. This kind of fuchsia pink color, that is Rose. And then I have Poppy, which is this beautiful like burgundy color. And then I have Jasmine, which is this like metallic kind of champagne color. And then finally this like bronzy gold color is Primrose. So these are really pretty. I'm excited to give this palette a try. So excited. So that's what made me want to purchase this particular box. I probably should have put some wipes over here next to me. So we're just gonna have to get creative with where we put these swatches today. So let's find out what's next. So I believe that was the April 2019 box. You guys let me know down below if I'm correct or not, and then correct me nicely. Let's do this tastefully. So the next box is the Boxy Charm All Natural. That's the card on here. And we're just gonna do like we did with the last box. So I also got something from Elements to get $10 for the Ulta Skin Bar. But we're just gonna not worry about that right now. So first we're gonna start. We have the Elements Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. And this is just skincare, and it retails for $35. I'm really excited to try this because I love giving skincare items a try, and I also own a superfood like daily moisturizer serum from this same brand that I got in my, I believe it was my April 2020 Boxy Charm, and I love it. So I'm really excited to try this out. I did not smell it earlier, so I do want to see if it has a scent. Let's see if I can get this off of here. I'm like crippled without my nails. Okay, so it's just like a cream kind of mask. I'm gonna go ahead and put this top back on. And it's kind of like this beige color. I just want to see how it smells, honestly. So we're just gonna rub that in. Smells really kind of earthy, but not like a dirt or nothing. Very like kind of leafy, but it's something else to it that I can't really describe. I don't know. The next item that we're gonna pull out is, this is the Boxy Gaia. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, or Jaya. Boxy Jaya 3-piece brush set. So this is like that same brand that we got in the last box, in the April 2019 box. So these are just a different set of brushes, and I don't usually like these. I know these are like you can use for foundation. I would probably use this brush just for concealer, or I like to use them when I do like face mask or something and I don't want to get my fingernails dirty. And these would be really nice. This is super fluffy. It's kind of big to do like that crease area. So we'll see if I get some use out of it. My eyes aren't really that big, but I'm excited to use this. And then this one is just, this one here is just your, you know, basic eyeshadow brush. But they're really cute. They have pink tips. I love pink. So I'm really excited to use those as well. We're always welcoming of new skincare and new brushes. And those brushes retail for $30, if I didn't already say that. Let's see. The next item we have is the Kojendo Spa Cleansing Water Cloths. And these retail for $17. So I'm assuming these are just to, you know, just clean my face. we'll see if I can use it to cleanse makeup off. So I'm excited to try that out. A little face wipes.